In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 benefits of how starting a YouTube channel can help you. Hello and welcome, my name's Andrew Goodman and I do creative artwork on the iPad. In my last video, I celebrated 1 year of this channel, 1 year of me being on YouTube. Check out that video if you want, because I talk a bit about why I started a YouTube channel and some of my background and my story of how I got to starting a YouTube channel. But in this video, I wanted to list the benefits, or the benefits at least for me, that I found in starting a YouTube channel. Benefit number 1, it's helped me be creative, maybe even more creative. I have a full-time job and I have different hobbies and different interests, but starting a YouTube channel has let me be a bit more creative. I have to be more creative because when I'm doing my tutorials, I have to keep thinking of how I can teach these tools, but I want to do it in a fun way, in an educational way, but also in a creative way. Starting a YouTube channel has helped me so much creatively. Benefit number 2, it's helped me share my knowledge. Now, if you know me, my knowledge is probably fairly limited, but it has helped me share my knowledge in Affinity Photo and then Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad, an app I absolutely love. And there's something really nice, as I talked about in the last video, of why I chose that app, and it's just great to help others and to teach others. And hopefully down the line, there'll be more than just Affinity Photo apps that I'll be doing tutorials on. Benefit number 3, through doing a YouTube channel, it's helped me build a bit of a community. Do you know, it's absolutely brilliant reading comments from people all over the world. And you know what's even better? When they write, it's such and such from this country, and it's maybe, in more cases than not, it's a country I've never been to, and sometimes I look on the map of where that country is, or sometimes they put in an emoji of their country's flag, and that's brilliant. And it's just nice to know that there's people all around the world watching my videos, and there's something special about that. And you know what? I see comments from people and I recognize their names straight away because they comment quite often, and there just feels like a bit of a connection there. And although I don't know what you look like, you know what I look like, but there's still that connection. Building community, starting a YouTube channel will help you build a community that never existed before. Benefit number 4, it's helped me in video editing. Now, before I start this channel, I could do video editing and some special effects and different creative things like that, but this channel has helped me get so much better and so much quicker, especially the quickness. After a year of doing all these videos, I can really edit much quicker and then be more productive in this channel, but also in my job. I can get through work a lot quicker. Not just editing, it's helped me audio wise. I'm no audio expert. If you check out my first few videos, the audio sounds awful. Much better now, and hopefully over time it'll get better again. Benefit number 5, we're halfway there. Starting a YouTube channel will help you, and it's certainly helped me, communicate. If you watch my first few videos, oh, they're awful, or at least they're awful for me when I'm watching the talking head shot. I just feel a wee bit rigid, a wee bit structured. I don't like watching myself. And here's a secret that you probably didn't know. For I don't know how many videos, every single video was scripted. Every single word I spoke was scripted beforehand. And I had a bit of a teleprompter sitting here, and I just read out. I just looked straight down the camera at the teleprompter as the words came up. And if I made a mistake, I had to stop the camera, I had to stop the teleprompter, put it back and do it all again. It was a slow process. Now, I don't script any videos, and maybe that's not a good thing. I have some idea of what I'm going to say, and I might make mistakes. In fact, I make tons of mistakes. In this video alone, I've made numerous mistakes, but you'll never see them, thankfully, because I'm quick at editing, as you found out from the last point, and I've edited them all out. And it's not even communicating to a camera, which is still a bit odd. Here, in front of my desk, a camera being pointed at my face, and I'm talking directly into it. It helps with that, but it also helps in presentations for work. And also in my church, sometimes I have to give kids talks and youth talks, and I think doing a YouTube channel, it's really benefited me there too. You'll have to ask other people to see if that is the case, but at least for me, I feel it's helped me greatly. Benefit number 6 is helped me get better organized, or at least in terms of digital organization. When you're producing so many videos, you have to get organized. There's video files from this camera, there's audio files which are separate and then they need to be synced, and then there's top-down shots of my tutorials, and there's maybe different graphics that have to come in, and then there's the music to come in, and all of that needs organized, and then it needs stored away in a file structure. When you've been doing as many videos as I have quite regularly, you need to get organized. It helps you get organized, or at least digitally organized. Benefit number 7 is help me set goals. In the last video, I talked about what my first year on YouTube, the goal I wanted to achieve was 1,000 subscribers. subscribers, and I hit it nearly 5 times over. I'm just short of 5,000 subscribers, but that was a goal that I set, and it's hard to kind of achieve that goal. It depends on how many videos you produce and the quality of it, but every week I want to produce at least one video, and I also want to produce it better than the video before. Earlier this year, I wanted to do YouTube Shorts. I set myself that goal. I'm currently doing YouTube Shorts, daily YouTube Shorts. I had a few days where I didn't do it, but I'm back in the dailies, and I'll maybe take a break every so often. And I've got different goals. Another goal coming up is an online course. People have been asking me nearly since day one for an online course. There's a course coming in 2 to 3 months, and on that note, there's a link in the description below to sign up to my newsletter, and you'll be first to know when that course hits and what that course is about. That's a goal that I've set, and it's good to set goals, and it's helped me with that. Benefit number 8, it's allowed me to grow a bit of an online brand, which isn't really needed, but because of some of the goals and some of the things I've planned this year, it might help out. Benefit number 9, this YouTube channel has generated me some money. Now, it's not too much money, but it has generated a little bit of money, and it's nice to see hard work paying off with a little bit of money. That said, it's not much, and with some of the gear and some of the things I've spent in this YouTube channel, I'd be lucky if I'm breaking even, but it is nice to get a bit of money through this channel. Benefit number 10, self-improvement, and I've already touched on self-improvement, getting quicker at editing these videos, speaking to a camera, time management, many small things, just self-improvement. Starting a YouTube channel will benefit you, it'll improve yourself in maybe small ways, and over time, those small things lead to big things. And if you're sitting on the fence about thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I would really recommend it. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. Be in it for the long haul. Set yourself 3 years like I did. No matter what, 3 years. Set yourself some goals, 1,000 subscribers, 500, 2,000. Doesn't really matter, but have fun. And I would encourage you to start your own channel. It is a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, and it's worth it, not just for these 10 benefits, but probably multiple other benefits that I can't just think of at the minute. And if you're a regular to this channel, as I announced earlier and in my last video, I am making an online course for Affinity Photo 2. Many people have asked for it. I'm excited to start working on it. There's a link in the description below where you can fill in your email, and you'll be first to be notified when this course comes out. I won't spam you. That'll probably be the first email you get to say that the new course is on its way, and it'll be heavily discounted. So please do that. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.